Hello Libra, and welcome to your Warrior Drum reading for April the 1st through the 10th. To Native Americans, the drum is not just a musical instrument. It is used to bring balance and renewal. It represents the heartbeat of Mother Earth. It also represents the circle of life. It is said to hold the spirit of the animal it is made of, and that's why this is considered a warrior drum, because it is made from elk hide. And the elk represents stamina, determination, bravery, and patience. It is known as a protector of the tribes and a relative. Okay, not considered an animal. It is considered a brother or sister. Okay, so let's start your reading. Your Stone People card is Bear Medicine, all about healing. Spirit animal is the dog. Be loyal to what you love. And sign and symbol is the forest, the standing people, and your connection with nature. So that's going to be important. Excuse me. So I can see already you have petrified wood and tree agate, and those are both very connecting with the trees and nature. Okay, so we're going to start in the east. This is what is coming into your life, and we have soapstone. We have our little thorn from the Arctic. Calming, stimulates ambition, unsticks and produces movement, and is malleable, goes with the flow. Okay, we have the medicine bowl and healing, which is what Bear also said. Father Sky, trust in the unknown. And we have Otter Spirit, you are never alone. In the south is the place of innocence and the inner child, and we have Dalmatian stone, which represents the inner child. Fortifies the spirit, brings playfulness, the simple joy of living, of being. It's healing and protective and helps you to manifest. Okay, we have the pipe, prayer and inner peace. That is going to bring about some of this healing here. We have the mirror guardian, take time to reflect. And squirrel spirit, believe in yourself. Okay, in the west is the place of lessons learned. And we have petrified wood, brings inner harmony, relieves worries, helps you be calm and composed, helps with transformation, and is very protective. Okay, the west is lessons learned. Oh, and we got standing people. Look at that. Roots and giving. Sinking your roots deep into Mother Nature to heal yourself so that you can then give to others. We have the wise one. Grow within your current situation. And elephant spirit, learn from the past. Wow, those are perfect in the west there. In the north is the place of wisdom and gratitude, and we have tree agate. Inner peace calms nerves, clears blockages, connects you with nature, and helps you focus on the oneness of all things. So, wow, that was perfect in that place as well. We have the power place, earth, connection, empowerment. Look at that. Okay, you really need to spend time in nature and grounding. Broken arrow, embrace the energy of peace. And look at that, peacock spirit. Let it shine. Let your little light shine. Those were awesome. Okay, let's see what your rune is. Okay, and you got the Gibo rune, the rune of gift. You will be receiving a gift this week. Remember that that does not necessarily mean material things. It could be a hug from someone you haven't seen for a while, some good news. There's many ways that a gift can come to you. Sister Moon says to have faith in your dreams. Awesome reading, all about healing and moving on. You got two things here about letting go and moving on. Okay? Everything was really positive. But you need to spend time in nature. That is where you are going to find your healing and your empowerment is in nature. Okay, so we're just getting all this off our drum here so I can show it to you. Okay, you can see the wood and the rawhide strips and the hide here. And if you notice, what's that? Well, this is a medicine wheel and a circle of life. So, white represents the north, red represents the east, yellow and green the south, and black in the west. Okay, so we're going to play it a little, and I will recite the elk prayer, which is a Sioux prayer. Elk, your stamina and strength far exceed those of your predators. Your unpredictability is an asset. May I take pride in myself and all my doings with the nobility of elk. I have the strength to go the distance and the sensitivity to respond to my surroundings with love and compassion. There we go. I hope you enjoyed your reading. Peace, love, and light. Until next time.